Hi friends, thank you for your love and support. Today's topic, Unlocking the Secrets, a beginner's guide to trend lines. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. Trend lines are an essential tool in technical analysis for identifying the direction of the market trend. A trend line is a straight line connecting two or more price points that determines the overall direction of the price movement. To draw a quality trend line, you will need to find at least two minimum swing points, and simply connect them with each other. Trend lines help traders to identify support and resistance levels, which are crucial for making trading decisions. In this video, we will discuss how to draw trend lines to enhance your trading strategy. The first step in drawing a trend line is to identify the trend. A trend is a series of higher highs and higher lows in an uptrend or lower highs and lower lows in a downtrend. To identify the trend, you can use various technical indicators such as moving averages, trend channels, and price action analysis. After identifying the trend, the next step is to choose the correct points to draw the trend line. A trend line connects two or more price points that are significant in determining the overall direction of the price movement. In an uptrend, the trend line should connect the lows, and in a downtrend, the trend line should connect the highs. Once you have identified the trend and chosen the correct points, you can draw the trend line. A trend line should be drawn as a straight line connecting the two or more points that define the trend. The more points that are connected, the stronger the trend line will be. After drawing the trend line, you need to validate it to ensure that it is reliable. A reliable trend line should be tested several times to confirm its validity. The more times a trend line is tested, the stronger it will be. To validate the trend line, you can use various technical indicators such as support and resistance levels, moving averages, and price action analysis. Sometimes, the price may break through the trend line, and the trend may change. In such cases, you need to adjust the trend line to reflect the new trend. You can adjust the trend line by connecting the new price points that define the new trend. The new trend line should be tested several times to confirm its validity. Trend lines are an essential tool for technical analysis, and they help traders to identify the direction of the market trend. To draw a trend line, you need to identify the trend, choose the correct points, draw the trend line, validate it, and adjust it if necessary. By following these steps, you can draw reliable trend lines that can enhance your trading strategy. Remember, trend lines are not foolproof, and they can break at times. Therefore, it is essential to use other technical indicators to confirm the trend before making a trading decision.